Managing crypto in 2026 is nothing like it was a few years ago. You might have coins on 5 different blockchains, positions locked up in DeFi protocols, NFTs spread across multiple wallets, and exchange balances on top of all that. If you are still tracking all of it manually, you are setting yourself up for missed tax deadlines, costly mistakes, and a whole lot of stress. So in this video, we are breaking down the top 5 crypto portfolio trackers for 2026. Not just what they look like, but what they actually do well, where they fall short, and most importantly, which one fits your situation. Let's get into it. 5 years ago, most people just had accounts on 1 or 2 exchanges. Simple. But today, the average serious investor has assets on multiple blockchains, several hardware wallets, DeFi protocols, and NFT platforms. Keeping track of all that in a spreadsheet is not just inconvenient, it is practically impossible. Poor tracking leads to real consequences: missed tax filings, security gaps, and blind spots in your portfolio. The right tool does not just show you pretty charts. It gives you the right information at the right time, with security and compliance built in. Here are the 5 tools that rise above the noise in 2026. Number 1. CoinStats. Best all-around tracker for active crypto investors. Number 2. CoinTracking. Best for anyone whose top priority is crypto tax management. Number 3. Delta. Best for tracking both crypto and traditional assets like stocks and ETFs. Number 4. Koinly. Best for high net worth individuals who want to see their total financial picture. And number 5. Zerion. Best for investors who live on-chain in the DeFi world. Let's go through each one. CoinStats is the one tool we keep coming back to for sheer coverage. With over 1 million users and more than $100 billion in managed assets, it connects to over 300 wallets and exchanges, supports 120 blockchains, and integrates more than 1,000 DeFi protocols. What sets it apart is how it pulls everything into one dashboard. Tokens, NFTs, DeFi positions, staking yields. It all updates in seconds. It also has a built-in AI assistant that lets you ask questions about your portfolio, scan for wallet risks, or research market trends. And there is a token risk scanner that flags suspicious or potentially fraudulent tokens before you interact with them. The free plan covers basic tracking across several wallets and exchanges. Premium starts at $9.99 a month and unlocks the deeper AI features and data exports. One thing to note, some very new tokens or older legacy chains may need to be added manually. But for most investors, CoinStats is the most complete package you will find. If tax season keeps you up at night, CoinTracking is your answer. It is purpose-built for tax compliance. It connects to over 300 exchanges and wallets, supports multiple cost basis methods like FIFO, LIFO, and specific identification, and gives you clean, downloadable reports that hold up under scrutiny. It also integrates directly with TurboTax and H&R Block, so when it's time to file, the hard work is basically done for you. And it sends automatic alerts when you have opportunities to harvest tax losses and offset gains. Where CoinTracking is lighter is on the analytics side. DeFi tracking and NFT support are minimal compared to others on this list. Paid plans start at $59 per year. If your portfolio is mostly on major centralized exchanges and your biggest concern is getting your taxes right, CoinTracking makes that process almost painless. In 2026, the line between crypto and traditional investing keeps blurring. Delta is built for investors who have a foot in both worlds. It brings crypto, stocks, ETFs, commodities, and even real estate into one unified dashboard. The mobile-first design is clean and easy to navigate, with custom alerts for big portfolio moves and exportable reports you can actually use. The trade-off is depth on the crypto side. DeFi and NFT tracking are fairly basic. Most advanced features require the premium plan at around $60 per year, and some transaction imports need a manual review pass for accuracy. But if you are the kind of investor who checks your Bitcoin alongside your Tesla stock and your ETF holdings, Delta is the one app that actually does that well. Koinly is not really a crypto tracker. It is a total net worth tracker that happens to include crypto. It connects to banks, brokerages, credit accounts, crypto wallets, DeFi positions, and even physical assets like real estate, gold, and cars. Everything in one high-level view. It also has a built-in document hub where you can store important files and link them to specific assets, which makes it genuinely useful for estate planning. There are even pass-down features so your heirs can get a clear picture of what you own. The downside is that the crypto and DeFi analytics are shallow. You will see values, not protocol-level detail. And at $150 per year with no free tier, it is on the pricier end. Kubera is the right pick for high-net-worth individuals and financial managers who need a complete picture of every asset they own, not just their digital ones. If you live on-chain, Zerion was built for you. It connects directly to your wallet with no account required. Just plug in your wallet address, and you instantly see all your DeFi positions, yields, pool shares, and NFTs across Ethereum, Polygon, and other EVM-based chains. The real-time visibility is excellent, and you can expand it further with widgets and decentralized apps for deeper insight. The limitation is that Zerion really only speaks DeFi. There is no support for centralized exchange balances, non-EVM chains, or traditional finance assets. Tax planning tools are also absent, and the security scanning is basic compared to something like CoinStats. Zerion is free for most users, with a premium option for more automation. If 95% of your crypto activity happens on-chain, and you rarely touch a centralized exchange, this is your tool. So which one is right for you? Here is a quick way to think about it. If most of your activity is on DeFi protocols and EVM-based wallets, go with Zerion. If you want one app that covers exchange accounts, DeFi, NFTs, and some tax functionality, CoinStats gives you the most ground in a single platform. If your number one concern is clean, accurate tax reports and audit trails, CoinTracker is the clear choice. If you hold crypto alongside stocks, ETFs, or other traditional assets, Delta handles that mix better than anyone else. And if you want a complete picture of your financial life, including bank accounts, real estate, and physical assets, Kubera is in a category of its own. The right portfolio tracker does not just organize your numbers. It gives you clarity so you can make better decisions, stay compliant, and actually understand where you stand. With crypto growing more complex every year, that clarity is not optional anymore. If this helped you figure out which tool fits your setup, drop a comment below and let us know which one you are going with. And if you want more breakdowns like this, make sure you are subscribed.